In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the volume on an LG Aristo smartphone. Okay, I'm trying to raise the volume, and as you can see it's not working. I'm trying to lower the volume and it's not working, so the volume buttons are not working. Now, a quick fix to make the volume buttons work is all you have to do is, while putting pressure on the back of the phone where my finger is, right between the two volume buttons, put pressure here, just push down with your finger, and at the same time press the volume button. And as you can see, it works. So there you go, there's a quick fix on how to fix the volume on an LG Aristo smartphone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.